Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Tamanna Awakens, which is a sacred place for healing, introspection, and awakening. Today is Shadow Work Sundays, and the shadow that we keep on struggling throughout our life is the fear of uncertainty, fear of stepping out of the comfort zone, and still being so naive that we keep on asking for growth, success, and transformation when all we fear is struggle, pain, and challenges. We are humans and we have transcended on this earth for liberation. Until unless there is pain in your life, until unless there is challenge, you cannot have the strength and you cannot even know that what lies inside you. You cannot just imagine that what superpower are you carrying, what has the Lord, the universe blessed you with, until unless you know and you surpass a situation. Recently, I was reading a book, and all I saw and read was a beautiful story. That story belonged to a psychologist who was simply sharing her fears, her strength, and then the story of her transformation. She had been an introvert throughout her life, and by the time she was growing up, she was a practicing lawyer and an advocate. By the time she grew up, she was an advocate, she was practicing with one of the leading agencies, but all she knew was that she's an introvert and she cannot surpass her fears. She cannot go and fight the cases. She cannot, witness big investment bankers and lead the case and bring laurels, bring winning to its team, to the company who had hired her. One day what happened, that this lady whose name in the book was Laura, her head coach, her head lawyer had to go all of a sudden for an emergency, and that day that firm was having a big case pending for it, and all she was left with no choice but to witness the investment bankers and face the things, face the challenges. She was sitting and facing nine investment bankers who were suited, booted, and sitting in their full mood of bashing, and also were not ready to listen to the case, were not ready to think of anything but winning the case, and not just granting the loan some time or giving the company some time from being default. She kept on listening. She was an introvert. She was very calm, very cool, very sophisticated, not speaking, not harsh, not like any other lawyer who is meant to be an extrovert, who is meant to be somebody who outgrows and who fights on the face. But then what happened, to everybody's surprise? Although she had done her thorough research, her homework, and everything, she was very good with analysis. She was very good with listening to people. Being an introvert, she was very good with the patience that she had. She was able to be and have a composed manner throughout the listening, whatever those investment bankers were saying. By the end of their talk, by the end of their conversation, all she could do was smoothly and calmly put on some questions and ask them that it's okay with whatever you are saying, but why cannot we have a different approach? Why is your approach the only way? And the manner in she was talking, it lifted the conversation from being super annoying to super light. The conversation, instead of being a courtroom battle, became into a conversation which was friendly, which was a healthy discussion, and which not only led Laura win the case, but also showed her what strength did she carry, also showed her that if she surpasses her challenges, she is somebody who can outgrow any person in the entire world. This beautiful story helps us to know that each one of us is blessed with the number of strengths, number of creations which the God has blessed us, number of qualities which are our own unique one. So instead of judging yourself with somebody else's quality, instead of judging your personality with somebody else's quality, and instead of judging your timeline with somebody else, just stop focusing on the world and start looking inside your shadows. Start realizing that you are one of a kind, you are unique, and you know that one day you will outshine everybody. All you need to do is have patience, have trust on universe, and stay calm. What happened to Laura next day was something very miraculous. The head lawyer who was there with those 9 investment bankers called her and asked her to join her firm because in her entire career of 40 years she had never seen a lawyer who could just turn the tables upside down by being calm, composed, and well mannered. And also, nobody in her entire career had been so demeanored, so calm, that the conversation shifted from being a courtroom battle to a beautiful, healthy discussion. And also, the company who was keeping her as a junior analyst, as a junior lawyer, instantly gave her a promotion, and she was expendiously happy and also blessed with seeing the side which came out of her this time. So you can also see your shadows. You can also unlock your potential only if you believe in yourself, only if you surrender to God. Instead of asking in your prayers for manifestations, for super miraculous things, for 1 crore rupees in another 6 months, or for somebody whom you want to marry you in another 3 months, for your business to rapidly grow, just turn your prayers and ask for strength, patience, endurance. Ask for your soul's remembrance. Ask for your mind to calm down and for your emotions to stay streamlined. You can elaborate your life. You can expand into the territories which your mind doesn't even know exist. The sky is your limit, and your shadows are just stopping you from being somebody who is not you but the most beautiful version of yours created by the universe. Let's remember that you are more than your mind, your thoughts, and your emotions altogether. You are somebody that has been created by the universe and sent here for a purpose. Until next Shadow Work Sunday, stay with yourself and try to unlock your potentials by being you, by not comparing yourself with anyone. Take care of yourselves. God bless you all. This is Tamanna signing off for today.